In today's video, I will teach you how to fix an overexposed image using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, import the image that you would like to edit in Photoshop. With the image selected, go to Filters, then Camera Raw Filter. Here, go to the Basics tab and adjust the settings to your liking. Since the image that we have here is overexposed, we can simply bring down the exposure value until the overexposed areas are clearer. Once the exposure level is adjusted, you can notice that the white values would appear darker. To bring up the brightness of the image, adjust the value of the highlights as well as the white values. To retain the shadows, simply adjust the value of the shadows and the blacks. You can also adjust the texture values to smoothen out the image, as adjusting color values could roughen up the details. However, if the details end up getting blurred out, you can simply adjust the value of the clarity. If the image ends up being too hazy, you can adjust the dehaze value on its respective slider. To adjust the vibrance and the saturation of the image, simply adjust the vibrance and saturation values on its respective sliders. Take note that each image has different color values, so the adjustments in this photo may not be applicable to yours. However, playing around with the settings based on the color values of your image would be better. Now, to compare the original image to the edited image, simply press Q on your keyboard. And once you're satisfied, you can now click OK and save it to your computer, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.